In Bisaya, now is karon. Karon. Right now is karuna. Karuna. And today is karong adlawa. Karong adlawa. Later is unya. Unya. Not until later, we say unya pa. Unya pa. Now, if we say unya na, it adds to that sense of immediacy. Tomorrow is ugma. Ugma. Ugma pa means not until tomorrow. Ugma pa, not until tomorrow. Then, hopefully one day, or hopefully someday, we say in Bisaya, puhon, or puhon-puhon. For example, hala, grabe mong paningkamot ba? Mudato na jud ka ana. Salamat, lagi puhon. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to ask a question and provide the answer in English, and I want you to translate that in Bisaya. First one, kanusa taman lakaw? Kanusa taman lakaw? When are we going to head out or go out? The answer is right now in English. How do we say right now in Bisaya? Right now. The correct answer is karuna. Karuna. Kanusa taman lakaw? When are we going to head out? Karuna. Right now. Kanusa man ta mo bisita sa ilaha? Kanusa man ta mo bisita sa ilaha? When are we going to visit them? How do you say not until later in Bisaya? Again, how do you say not until later in Bisaya? The correct answer is unya pa. Unya pa is how we say not until later in Bisaya. Kanusa man ta mo bisita sa ilaha? Unya pa. Not until later. Kanusa man ta man laag? Kanusa man ta man laag? When are we going to travel? How would you say someday or one day, hopefully, in Bisaya? The correct answer is puhon or puhon-puhon. Kanusa man ta man laag? When are we going to travel? Puhon. One day. Hope you learned something new today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!